Hey guys, welcome to tool testing. I want to see how good a cheap chainsaw is. I found this Adano chainsaw. It cost about $85, so it's quite cheap. It got an Oregon 16 inches chain and a saw. And when we take a look at it, it's look very fine with all the components for the choke and the gas pumping. Start and stop on the other side here. And you see there, the gas and the oil. We got the brake, works very fine. I want to see how good it is when you are going to cut a bigger tree. So see you out there. So now guys, we have tried this in my garden to cut the tree I've got. This chainsaw is about 10 seconds slower to cut the same tree as I do with my Johnson Red from earlier videos you can see. I do understand why it's a cheap chainsaw. The kilowatts on this one is 1.6, the same as my Johnson Red, but this is running way too lower on the RPM. So it ain't got the same power as a good expensive chainsaw. The best part of this chainsaw for the price is the chain and the saw. That is from Oregon. I can get a little bit worried about how long this will go fine to start the chainsaw when it's new, but when you have started 50 or 100 times, I don't know how the components are gonna work. I don't think it's gonna start that easy as it do it right now. But if you just have to cut a tree or two in your garden and you want to buy a chainsaw, then this is a very fine chainsaw to do the job. But if you're going to cut some bigger trees, it's not worth buying this one. I hope you like my video about the cheap chainsaw. In my next video I'm gonna make a pumpkin ready for Halloween. I'm going to cut the pumpkin with this chainsaw. Look forward to see the video. See you.